Health leaders at VCU Massey Cancer Center tell me that nationwide, more than 40% of African Americans have died of COVID-19. And they say those numbers could rise here in Virginia, and it's all due to several factors.
This was not unexpected. It is unfortunate more than it is unexpected.
Meet Dr. Robert Wynn. He's VCU Massey Cancer Center's newest director.
A little bit over my first 90 days on the job, and this has probably been the most interesting start to a new job I have ever had in my entire life.
The health expert has been studying COVID-19's impact on our nation's society since the outbreak.
The pandemic as a whole has really gripped every part of America.
While he says no one is immune to the virus, African Americans are more likely to be infected.
In some cases, 3 to 6 times more than their white counterparts.
According to a study by the Associated Press, more than 40% of the nation's coronavirus deaths have been African American. Here in Virginia, African Americans make up 15% of the deaths related to the virus, and that's according to the Virginia Department of Health. Dr. Wynn believes there are several reasons why African Americans are more likely to contract the virus. One is poor housing.
Sometimes, you have small areas in which you're putting a large number of people. How do you keep social distancing from that?
He also says African Americans hold more essential jobs and can't work from home.
That's actually adding fuel to this fire. And in fact, we are almost inadvertently putting a class of people on the front lines that will serve our needs as truckers, et cetera, what have you do, to make sure that we're safe.
Dr. Wynn adds that a lack of access to health care and information also play a factor, as well as underlying health issues.
I think we should be aware that those are connected, right, to almost a system that actually in some ways has existed for a very long time that we will ultimately need to address post-COVID.
Now, Dr. Wynn tells me that he believes that Richmond and Petersburg can see a spike in African-American deaths from COVID-19. Meanwhile, we'll have all these statistics and data on our website at WTVR.com.